Control number 1571-A, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Robel Panergo, 26 years old. I am married. We have 3 children. Their age are 6 years, 4 years, and 1 year, 6 months. We have 7 members of the family. We have 2 boys and 1 girl. I am the eldest to the family. My educational attainment, I am undergraduate in college. I took up computer secretariat.
How about your working experience?
My working experience is here in Philippines, 3 years as a housemaid. My employer name is Magdalena Ventura. There are 5 members of the family and 3 adults.
So what were your main duties inside the house?
Inside the house, I'm baking, wash dishes, wash clothes, and
Okay, so how many children did you take care of?
3 children.
How old are the children?
6 years, 4 years, and 1 year, 6 months.
Okay, so how do you take care of the children?
Prepare his food, bathing, torturing like reading books, storytelling. If the child is schooling, I'll send him to school and fetch him from school.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To have an experience working abroad and to finish my house.
Okay, so do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
No, Mom, but I want to learn and to be trained.
Lastly, okay, so what are your other skills to do inside the house?
Inside the house, I'm baking, dishwashing, laundry.
Okay, so what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
My good characteristics as a domestic helper is I'm a hardworking and flexible, reliable, honesty, friendly, and helpful mom.
So what are your message to your future employer?
My future employer as your domestic helper, I promise I'll do my best responsibilities and duties. I also promise that I finish my contract.